Manever I say ma PENDREAM TV. PENDREAM TV there, I see them yopo.
Now, give me 15 minutes to talk about NPP. NPP for NPP. Omaya Debia in the history of the Republic of Ghana. And the Oma confirm Ghana for say the NPP is a political party that does not trust itself. The NPP does not trust itself.
Hey, stop.
So why do they want us to trust them? Now, when you read the papers today, you see a statement like this. And when you read the news today, you see NPP flag bearer aspirants sign undertaking not to resign from party if they lose primaries. Yes, see. And the party for the share in Penifo, including Kufuor, in the history of the Republic of Ghana, and in the history of NPP, NPP, no, for the first time, Yama Omo Pese Omo Beye party flag bearers, no. And the Omon Sasha Kratas say, yeah, thank you, sir. We need to party no and the Omon Sasha Kratas say, I catch Omon person be the party in him say, Obian Van Sasha Kratas don't say, say, Abaya Kotono Memendano, say, Ulunzia, Obodam Semono. From PMP party, over than what na party. Now, the idea way as a children say NPP as a political party, they don't trust each other. They don't even trust themselves. They don't even believe, say, oh man, they are matured enough to go into a contest and come out mature to sell themselves to the people. NPP through this action, Oma Patre Ghana for said they don't deserve to lead because say only suffer any asori penini, any suffer mame, any aye suffer yere eshe dem. Na say ya to collection the wie. Na men's fellowship for the Sikana ba leader, women's fellowship leader, nipa be enso na mo dem ho. Na amu di Sikana be good table so na ya boss Sikani nyina aso. Na ya kan Sikani nyina good table na say 2000 Ghana. Na afe ye wie ne de ma sofo a sofo to ho na ye kan sika ro wi osmo ntwan na me mboso biem ansa na ye nyina yakọ. That means say mu amugu asori dem wo sofo yire ebu asori panyini, men's fellowship leader, women's fellowship leader, eye den na bugu no. You don't even trust each other because sofo they will say ya nhwe ya sika na ye kan ansisi ano ebia sofo ma be 10 Ghana, ebia na asori panyini 82 Ghana share mpobom. Sofu na ankasa kura na ebia we wie bi enti sofu say oh we de nyamia sofu penyin na kagu masum say we de kasika no ya kan wie no mensa amboso. That means that there is no trust among omo dem no, and if there's no trust among them, it means they at the end of the day the people omo tia bonchina omo congregant no, they are not supposed to put their trust in them. They are not supposed to trust them to lead them into the NPP ayen in them. They are telling us to say from Michael Kwe to Hakamado Uswajiman to Eye Ekufuado to Bawomia to Kennedy Japan at the end more Eye Mickey Mouse to NPP in Penifo Bobno. I'm say Yanni and Gia who knew Yanni and himself to be for a woo. Yanni and Gasayan to Minka Humbo into there is no way that to come above. This shows that the NPP does not have a united front to lead Ghana. Now a party that is just going into electing its flag bearer cannot trust the so-called aspirants. The party cannot trust the aspirants who are supposed to lead them. One of these aspirants is supposed to lead the party. Now the party as a whole and its elders say, for aspirants, no, you trust them. It means the NPP does not trust itself, and they cannot elect somebody they don't trust to lead us. Because they are even going to elect somebody from the four they don't trust to lead them to come and lead us. One person nipa for no. I'm person we but person we bodam need the man says bodam need there. When na ombedi Ghana ni mo gitu mu say nko 49 na mo bedi menu na mo beyi ba ko no munjo mu nyina ndi enti de mo beyi ni bia no o etimi fo o bodam fo. So why do you want to put such a burden on we Ghanaians. The actions of the NPP today should tell you, the young Ghanaian watching me, say this is a party that is not united. It does not have a united front. Even after primaries, just primaries, to elect somebody to lead us, no, to me, unless say it will be answer Shakratase. So the probability say after primaries, no, it's 99.9,000. The probability say the party would deplete further, no, 99,000%. The probability say party does not even care who to lead them, because they can take any of the ones they don't trust to lead them, to come and lie to us that this is the person they trust. Because remember, whoever they put forward as their flag bearer, the party does not trust the person. Whoever. Now, if the party does not trust the person, why should the party bring that person to us to trust? We need a president their own party trust. And it's now called NDC. 99.9% of the people say we trust this guy, so you people trust us. And it's not NDC for you, John Mahama. And around the nation say 99.9%. Now, to believe a political party, you need to go behind the political party and see how united they are, how they can come together and bring someone. If a political party cannot show you they are united in just electing a flag bearer, that political party cannot give you a flag bearer that can unite the party and even go further to unite the nation. They don't even have a flag bearer but a united party, no, than to go further to unite us Ghanaians. Because today the tension in Ghana, we need a political party that is grounded and united to elect somebody they believe in. Because prior back but Okaboma, it will never break. Today we have an NPP that does not have a unity. Rally behind. In 2000, the NPP won election 2000 because the NPP came together and they all supported J.A. Kufuor. They went to Congress. They went to elect a flag bearer. They never brought a document to Obin sign and sign a flag bearer, because they were united from the base. So Ghana for who said part where the Nkabo womb, imagine say adwene baako, nkabo baako, mpeso mu yinyansani baako, e man be kan boom. Because Ghana is divided, seriously divided, politically, socially, religiously. We are seriously divided to the point we need somebody who come from a united unit to come and put us together. Now in 2000, they came together, they put everything aside, they never signed a document because the party had the full support. They came together as a unit and said Kufuor. In 2004, they came together again with a group, with a unity. They said Kufuor. Now they came 2016. What did they do? The party did not sign any treaty. They did not sign anything called a year undertaking to say eye Ekufuado alankore chamantin mo amo contest for black flag bearership no say mo anya sade na ende ye. They came together as a unit, because if you don't show the people you are united, you cannot unite the people. And did not give Ekufuado the nod. And eye den and the yakoti flag bearer keke then it means to say they want to send a message to us Ghanaians, say they are not united. And when they are not united, they cannot pick somebody who will lead them as a united front to come and unite Ghana. At this point, Ghana's problem is a lot. Your economic problem, your social issues, your a lot of problems. But your system, your democracy, we are all tense. There is a specific reason to soldier for you coup, because they still have a little bit of hope in the democracy of the Republic of Ghana. There's a reason why the youth are not on the street killing each other, because they still believe that there's 1 year for us to recalibrate this nation. Ghanaians, as much as they are angry, they are still hoping that there should be a leader who will settle the system, who will put some hope in us, who will bring us together, who will be a unifier. But that leader should come from a unit, a group, a party that is reunited already. Because you cannot bring a leader that is coming from a party that is depleted, that does not trust itself. And a majority of Ghanaians are quiet because they need that liberation to give us some breath, some fresh air to start moving on. Ghana, the crossroads that America found themselves in 2020. I live in America. A majority of Ghana, we lived in America. the tension that was in America from 2016 to 2020, it was crazy. The tension was that you could not have a conversation. You could not even address somebody. People had issues with everything because it was a point where we had a leader, even if he was working, his utterances and his gestures from himself and his party, it was not putting the country together. You can never progress as a nation when you have a leader who is not ready to unite. From 2016, Donald Trump ever contested for presidency. He was never able to unite America. So Donald Trump could not get the full support of America to make America achieve what it wanted. So it looked like some group of people only believed in Donald Trump, but the United States of America had issues with the leadership qualities of Donald Trump. That is why Donald Trump lost the elections in 2020. Now Ghana is at that position. We need a leader who come in. So after 2020 election at Joe Biden, people had issues with Joe Biden's age. They had issues that he has been a politician before. He was a vice president. Why are we bringing him? But majority of Americans said we needed an adult who will unite America in the house. There were so many things that was going against Joe Biden, but Americans were like, our country is dear to us than a policy, than a political party. There were so many Republicans who decided to vote for Joe Biden, not because they love him, not because they love Democrats, but because they realized that they needed somebody to put some ease in the American system. And when Joe Biden took over power, you might not like some things, but there's one thing you cannot take away from him. Today, America has taken some good, fresh breath. We are all living in harmony. You might not like some of the things, but an adult should come in and settle the nation. Today in America, people are not complaining. People are not tensed. People don't feel there are some racial attacks against them. People are beginning to believe in the America that made them move here. People are beginning to believe in their old America. And that is what Ghana needs now. Ghana needs a leader that will, at the end of the day, you might be CPP, you might be PPP, you might even be NPP, but it's getting to that point where today in Ghana, soldier for police for are killing each other. We have students fighting each other, tribal conflict because of the utterances and the leadership qualities of the NPP. So Ghanaians need some fresh breath. They need somebody who has done it before, somebody with the experience and somebody they have tasted before, somebody they know will never act the way these people are acting. That is why majority of the people are saying we need change. That is why what the NPP did today is supposed to tell you Ghanaians said they are not ready to lead. The party does not have the front, the base, the root and spine to put Ghana together. Putting NPP together is different from putting Ghana together. There are different colors in Ghana and different ideologies and different beliefs and different political beliefs in Ghana. You need a leader who come in and let everybody understand that we have a nation to build. And that leader should come from a unit that is ready to accept him before we the people accept. The NDC came out 99.9 to say we want this guy because we trust that he can lead Ghana and put Ghana together. The NPP today, Omachre Ghana for say, you will make one of the most terrible mistakes country ever done if you decide to go with the NPP. I don't know any of their contestants and I don't care about any of them because none of them have been able to pass the test. The test that Ghanaians gave them from 2016. Kennedy, Bawumia, Efriya Koto, whoever is part of the contest, they have not been able to prove themselves. So make Kelvin tell Amitiano, I don't know Bawumia, I don't know Kennedy Japan, I don't know the NPP. What I know is a leader who has been there before with experience, a tested leader who is not going to experiment with democracy and our development. And what I know is John Mahama. So the NPP elections and whatever, the Omayan and them should tell you the NPP is bad news. They cannot even come together to elect a leader. They can never come together to build Ghana.